Alright, so this is just going to be a very short video on MacBooks and the flashing question mark folder. So if you have this issue, let me see if I can show it. So let's say you power on your MacBook, the screen just stays white. Alright, and it just keeps staying white. Alright, and then after some time it's going to show the flashing folder with a question mark. There's a few things that could be going wrong with this, and depending on your model, you might or might not be able to repair it. So this is on the older models. So here you go, the flashing folder question mark. All right, I'm just going to turn it off by pressing and holding the power button. Make sure I turn off the MacBook completely. So right now the hard drive, I took it out because I wanted to test it. So if you have an older 2012 or earlier model, you can test it by getting one of these SATA to USB adapters, and then you can plug the USB, your hard drive in to that and boot off of that by holding the Alt key or the Option key, and then you can actually boot your hard drive externally. So anyways, if your Mac is having that issue, you want to check the hard drive. If you have the newer ones, you might have to replace the SSD. But this one uses a 2.5-inch SATA hard drive. So what we're going to be doing is replacing this cable. I tested it with the external, the USB cable, and it worked perfectly fine. So that means there's a good chance that this cable is just bad. A lot of times these cables go bad. They do have several different models of this cable, so make sure if you're doing this on your Mac that you check the model of the cable first to make sure you get the right one. Okay, so on this one specifically, this is just one of the models, and then I got another cable. It's a different model number, but it's a compatible one. So the model number of this cable is 821-2049-A. All right, and then so that one's bad. And then I got a replacement one. This is 821-1480-A. Okay, so these are very common. This is a very common issue with these Macs, and a lot of times it's either the hard drive, the SSD, or the cable here. And again, the way I tested the cable to confirm that that was the issue was I took the hard drive out, used a SATA to USB adapter to test it, and then it still showed, and then it actually booted up and worked properly. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, we're basically just gonna replace this cable. Okay, so if you buy a brand new one from like Amazon or something, it'll have the little adhesive strips that you have to peel off, and you might have to also transfer over this end, this little chip here. So you might have to peel that off and transfer that over. I'm pretty sure I did a video of that before as well, so if you wanted to see how to do that, just let me know. I'll see if I can find that video, but it's pretty self-explanatory. There's just a little latch that you peel up to remove it, or you flip up, and then you can pull that connector away. Alright, so we're going to get the hard drive. It has these little screws that stick out, so we're going to put that, and then you put this side in first, and then you drop it down just like that. Same thing when you take it out, you lift it up, you pop this connector out, and then transfer it over. But I already took it out, so we're just going to do this and make sure it's working. Okay, so tighten these screws back down. Alright, now we're just going to confirm that this MacBook is working okay. If the way you can check if it's working okay before you put all the screws back in, okay, what you do, press the power button, hold the Option key, and then if you see the boot options, then you know you're good to go. So right now, keep holding the Option key, and then you'll see internet here, and then here you can see the hard drive. So before, if it wouldn't detect the hard drive, so all you'll see is just this internet connection option. So now we know, since it's seeing the hard drive, that we're good to go. Alright, and that's pretty much it. So hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, like and subscribe. Help others find my videos. Thank you for watching. There is one other thing that you want to do after changing the hard drive cable. You want to shut down the computer, and then you want to do a Pram and Smc reset. So I'm going to show that real quick. I just got to wait for the computer to start up. Okay, come on. Waiting for it to boot up. All right, so it did boot up. I'm going to shut it down now, and then I will show you what I mean with the Pram and SMC reset. Okay, so shut down the Mac. Make sure it turns off completely. Okay, Apple was telling the customer, oh, we're sorry, your computer's broken. We can get you the data, but we can't like fix it, which I don't know why. It's a very easy fix. Apple should already know that this is a issue. It's a very common issue actually. So I think they're just trying to get out of repairing stuff for people, or to basically let people know that there's these flaws with their computers. So they're just avoiding like saying, oh, we know what the issue is, we'll fix it. So yeah, I think that's what it is. My most popular videos are actually like Apple like defect repairs. So most of the other computers, they're popular because people want to know how to upgrade them. Most of my most popular videos are popular because they're Apple like known defects. So anyways, so here you can see, or I think you can see, this light is orange. To do an SMC reset, you do Control Option Shift on the left side. Press the power button, this light will go green, and then it will change back to orange. That's how you know you did the SMC reset properly. Okay, this light will only go orange if your battery is below 90%, so it might have charged over 90% now because it's staying green. And I did leave it charged for a long time, yeah. So yeah, I just checked the battery's over 90%, so it's staying green. All right, now now we're gonna do a Pram reset. So to do that, you turn it on and then immediately hold Command Option P and R. So turn it on and then Command Option P and R. It'll start up and then it will restart itself. That's how you know you did the Pram reset properly. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. Again, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe. Help others find my videos. Thank you for watching. I am going to, this customer said they didn't have their password, or they forgot it because they left it in a one of their closets or something for a while after Apple said they couldn't fix it. So I'm gonna do that. But anyways, that's pretty much all there is. I don't know why this light turned orange again. It could be their battery is actually bad since it's been sitting so long. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. I am going to go into the recovery mode to reset the password on this. This works on older Macs, but a lot of the newer ones, it doesn't work right. Because now they started adding all these encryptions and other things to it. So hopefully they didn't enable the file vault encryption, but there's a way you can reset Mac passwords. You can Google it, but usually you'd hold the Option key and then you can go to, I guess maybe I can kind of show this, so we'll see. Hold the Option key. So assuming your Mac will have the recovery mode, you can either do hold the Option key and then go to recovery mode, or you do like Command R or Command Option R to get to recovery. But here you can see there's actually a recovery option, 10.8, so I'm going to go to that. All right. And then you just wait for it to load. I don't know if I can show this because it will show the username, and I don't want to show my customers' username stuff. So anyways, we're waiting for the recovery to load. This usually takes a while, but just wait for it, let it run. If you have a regular hard drive, which this has a regular hard drive, it can take longer. What I'm going to be doing right now, since it's going to take a while, actually, it's already done, I think. Or it's partially done. There we go. Then you just pick the language, English. Alright, so what you want to do at the top, there's this Apple logo. You want to actually go to the terminal under Utilities. Click that. Let me see if I can show that. Okay, so you'll see this. And then I forgot if it's reset password or password reset. Let me try. So I typed, okay, so it is just reset password. So you just type in reset password, one word like that, press enter, and you'll get this password reset menu. Just select your hard drive. Okay, and then it lets you pick your username. under the select the user account. So you just select your username, and then, oh, I probably showed it, and then you basically type in whatever password you want after that. So I'm just going to put password with a capital P. Alright, just like that. And I usually put the hint capital P password, just like this, if you can even see it. And that's how I do that. So I save, and then you click save. Okay, your login password will be reset. The only thing is your keychain stuff will be not working, which means all your saved passwords and things like that are going to be screwed up. So you'll have to redo those. But anyways, that's how you reset the password. After that, close this, and then just restart your computer, and your password should be reset. Alright, so that's all there is to it. I'm going to put the screws back in. Thank you for watching. Again, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, like and subscribe. Help others find my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!